When it comes to weather, sometimes we can get some stories that seem to be a little too far-fetched, and other times it actually ends up being true. We've got a very interesting situation coming out of Egypt today. You're not going to believe this. Not too far from there, Iran is cleaning up after two 6.0 plus earthquakes strike causing damage. These were felt all the way in Dubai. And how about two more big fireball events, aka meteor sightings in the Northeast? Take a look at this. Every single day, we are getting multiple sightings now. We're going to focus on two that took place in the immediate Northeast. One, as you can see, was a daytime sighting. We are also going to check the latest stats at La Palma, live updates, eruptions, tsunami warnings, and latest news from the Canary Islands. Holy meteors, volcanoes, and scorpions, Batman. It must be Monday. We're going to break it all down right here, right now. Let's go. My friends, welcome back. It is October 15th, 2021, 9:10 a.m. Not wasting any time today, we have not one, but two very big meteor sightings in the Northeast once again. We have video footage of this one. It comes and goes fairly quickly, but you can see it sitting right there. I'm just going to hit play very quickly, and you see it shooting across the sky. There is a bit of a closer look for you. Very, very cool. There are also two other dash cam videos that catch this event. You can see right here a small little speck in the sky. Go ahead and hit play, and you can see it shooting across the sky right there in front of this driver here. This is credit to Siblings Pizza. Very cool. And here is the second video. I will leave links for you guys. You're going to hear this guy singing in his car, and then he goes, whoa, check that out. You're going to see it streak right around here and then cross by the moon here, I believe, is what's sitting in the sky. Hit play, and you're going to see it right there. There it goes past over top of the moon. Take a look at that one more time really quick in slow motion. Multiple daytime sightings. And just to show you guys, I got both of these pulled up here. Two separate sightings. The one that stretches down into Washington actually receiving more and more reports in the last hour. And then the second one here extends up into Canada. Very, very crazy. All right, and moving right along, and you are looking at footage right now from Egypt. Take a look at this massive storm. Now, not only are these storms super rare to begin with in these areas of the world, but take a look at this headline. Multiple people have been killed by a scorpion outbreak. Apparently, these massive rains that have been taking place have caused the very high population of scorpions in this part of the world to basically be forced out of where they live. Now, this is really an insane story. There is so many articles about this. I want to read some of this to you very quickly. Scorpions stung on Saturday 453 citizens, killing 3. All these people living near the mountain areas of Aswan as thunder showers hit hard, pushing them to leave their nests. To make matters worse, this specific scorpion is called the fat-tailed scorpion, which specifically lives in Egypt, and they are considered to be among the most deadly in the world. Listen to this. Venom from a black fat tail can kill humans in under an hour if left untreated. And since we're in this part of the world, we may as well talk about these two 6.3 and 6.0 earthquakes that took place causing damage. All right, let's take a look at this real quick. These were felt all the way in Dubai, which as you can see is on the other side of the Gulf of Oman here. For those of you that watch MMA or UFC, Fight Island is right here in Dubai itself. And it wasn't just one, we had multiple earthquakes. So we had the bigger of the two, the 6.3, and this did in fact cause damage. Unfortunately, you could see right here at least one dead after the quake strikes southern Iran. You can see right at the bend there of the Gulf. Just some unfortunate situations going on in the Middle East. I'll keep you guys posted on this information, but we got to move on to our old friend La Palma. We're going to check out the latest stats and current events going on this volcano right now. Something very surprising about this situation, and actually very good at the same time, is that just yesterday we've recorded our first death as a result of this volcano. Just one. To me, that's even too much these days. With all the technology and warning equipment we should have to let us know about this stuff. You can see in the title right here, La Palma volcano update. First victim of the eruption. Man dies as roof collapses underneath him. I'm going to leave a link to this story in the description box. You can see right next to it here, the current status of La Palma is still erupting at a 4 out of 5 today. We've also had multiple earthquakes taking place around the outskirts of the island in the last couple hours. And as of now, the strongest earthquake in the last 9 hours has been a 4.4, which has multiple reports of people feeling that side-to-side shaking again. I'm just going to touch base with you on some of these stats here that we've been talking about throughout the last month and a half. This eruption beginning on September 19th now has a surface area and lava flow of over 1,000 hectares. That is a lot. More than 1,400 buildings have been severely damaged or destroyed by the lava flow. And one thing that's very interesting and a little concerning is that the experts, or so-called professionals, still don't know if these earthquakes we're getting are collapsing lava vents that have been used up, or if this is more magma moving into the volcano area. The surrounding earthquakes around the island show that this may be more magma. With all that said, you guys know I will bring you any updates needed, whether it's today or tomorrow. We'll be right here to do that. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Shout out to Canada. I hope everyone enjoyed your weekend, and I hope you enjoy your Monday even more. I will talk to you all very soon. See you here in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.